What's up, everyone? You wondering what I got in here? Yeah, I got in here a windshield for a motorcycle for Honda CBR F4i. This thing was broken down due to the construction workers. Construction workers giving zero fucks about, property, damaging property. So they damaged the cover of the bike. They broke this piece on the windscreen. And if you're wondering what I'm doing here today, I'm gonna attempt and not repair it. I'm not gonna glue this piece. What I'm gonna do is modify, meaning that I'm gonna trim the shit out of this one and still have the windscreen, because here is where the windscreen mounts. So this will still mount on the bike. I'll show it to you on the bike later on when I install it. But yes, I'm gonna trim this piece and see how it goes. If it doesn't look good or if it doesn't feel good on the bike, then we'll put an OEM one that I got recently, like in the summertime. I'm using a Dremel rotary tool. This Dremel tool, it's 8220 or 8220. One of the best tools, I believe. I really like this tool. Done lots of cutting with this shit. So let's save this. Now I'm using my glasses, sunglasses or whatever. If you want to end up like me, don't use glasses, just go straight cut this shit out without any eye protection. You're not gonna lose much, just an eye or two. So I'm not gonna waste time with this. I'm just gonna go straight ahead and cut the living shit out of this thing. If I fail, I fail. If I succeed, I succeed. So I did measure it somehow. So I try to be symmetrical. I don't promise that it will be symmetrical, but this is like 33 centimeters, so I tried to measure the same shit. So it's supposedly to be a little bit straighter than what it is right now. It looks like somebody was hungry and beaten the shit out of this one. Ignore. Adobe Illustrator crashed. Fuck it. Alright. Wish me good luck. Spinning is gonna fuck me up. Anyway, let's make a mess in here. I would recommend use a mask too if you don't want to do this. I should use a mask actually and increase the power at like 20. This smells good. All right. Yeah, we'll grind this later on, but for the moment, holy shit, that's a big one. That's a big part. You definitely need glasses. If you can see the shit, you definitely need it. Even I had this piece of shit one, I got fucked. Excuse my French. I made a nice mess in here, nice, beautiful. Shit. I hate about this shit the most, it's when you clean. The cleaning part I hate. Fixing stuff, it's good, I like it. God damn it. Let's see. Let's get some grinding. Do I bother with this shit, going it, making it perfect? Maybe I should. My OCD will kill me. I don't know. You know what? Fuck this. Almost OEM. I may even leave this strip in here. Yeah, I actually am gonna leave it in there. Why not? So yeah, I made a mess in here, of course. I hate cleaning the mess, but it has to be done. And yeah, next time I'll show you how this thing was gonna look on the bike. But until then, thanks for watching. If you did dislike this video, put that thumbs down. If you liked it, put that thumbs up. I'll make more content videos and more minor stuff like this in the future, so stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video when I install this shit on the bike, and we're gonna see how it looks like. So peace.